2023 was a year of grace for me. It was the year a cancerous growth was discovered in my wife's kidney. My mother fell and sustained a hip fracture. My son battered his knee in an accident, and I had a tumor in my neck. All had to undergo surgery. It was a time when some people said, "Where is Jesus, who you always pray to?" We don't pray, but we are fine. However, we do not need to go looking for the God whose love controls us, or lament like Mary Magdalene, "They have taken away my Lord." We are blessed to be born after Christ's resurrection. He is alive and we know it. That is why my toughest year was also a grace-filled one, because the cancer was detected in time and my wife's life glorifies God. My mother started walking again. My son was restored to health, and I was relieved of the pain in my neck. A prayerful life does not mean we will have no troubles. It only means that God will be right there when the storms strikes. Think of Mary Magdalene. Meeting Jesus alive made her forget her grief. All she could do was tell the world, "I have seen the Lord."